Hey, what's up, fellow entrepreneur? So recently a client asked me, PK, how do you manage all these business credit accounts that you have? So I figured, why not do a video and show everybody exactly how I manage them? Alright guys, so the software that we use to keep track of dozens of business credit accounts that we have is called QuickBooks Online. It's by a company called Intuit. I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with it, but those of you that aren't, it's a software that will automatically sync with your online banking. And before we go any further, I would like to disclose that I'm not an expert on using QuickBooks Online. There's a lot of videos here on YouTube that you could watch in order to get specific answers on how to accomplish certain things using QuickBooks Online. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you quickly and do a show and tell on how we use it on the business credit side. So the first thing you want to do is go to intuit.com. That's the main website. You're going to go to products. For small business, go to QuickBooks. And you could actually get a 30-day trial, which I would highly recommend that you do. Let's click on 30-day trial, see what we get. All right, there's multiple packages here. Pick the one that best suits your business needs. And then once you have selected a package and signed up, you're going to go to qbo.intuit.com. That's where you're going to log in. So I'm going to quickly log in. I'm going to skip that. And I've actually got a couple different companies here. I'm going to select this one. And as you could see, I haven't updated this for a while. I haven't logged in. I do this maybe once a quarter just to save time. What you could do is you could go under banking. This is a real estate investing company that we've got, so there aren't a whole lot of transactions and there aren't a ton of business credit accounts that we've linked, but here's what it looks like. As you could see, for this account, it's been 5 days since it's been updated. And by the way, these will auto update, so you don't even have to log in, but it's been 5 days since this one's auto updated. I'm gonna hit update. And what it's gonna do is it's going to sync with online banking and bring up all the transactions that occurred within 5 days. So now what I have to do is I've got to go through these and add them based on the category that it belongs to. So for example, let's go to this account. There's a charge here from Intuit, which is my QuickBooks subscription, and I could put it under office expense. And that's what I'm going to do. Go to add. And there you go. It's right there under office expense. And at the end of the year, what you could do is you could actually create a profit and loss statement and balance sheet and give that to your accountant. It'll actually make bookkeeping a lot easier. You could save a lot of money on bookkeeping. Let's say I was to get a brand new business credit account. What I would do is I would go here to chart of accounts. Click on new, and if it's a credit card, click on credit card. If it's a line of credit, I believe QuickBooks will acknowledge a line of credit just the same as a credit card. For our purposes here, it's all a credit card if it's revolving. Let's say it's through Citibank. Go ahead, save and close. There it is. Now let's say I want to sync this newly added Citi account to online banking and have all the transactions downloaded. All I would do is go to add account, type in Citi, select citibank.com, which is their online banking, and I don't actually have a user ID or password because this is something I just made up on the fly. So I'm gonna stop here. Now let's say I had a legitimate user ID and password for Citi. That credit card account would appear right here, right next to these two accounts, and QuickBooks would automatically know that because that's a credit card account, any transaction that comes in through there that's downloaded is going to be money spent. So it's going to categorize it as an expense, and you could add 25, 30 credit card or line of credit accounts and have all the data at your fingertips, guys. It's awesome. All these accounts would be right here, one box after another, and you could keep scrolling all the way through and get a live look at expenses and income on all of your accounts. It's really awesome. So QuickBooks Online, I highly encourage all business owners to use it to keep track of their finances and all of their business credit accounts. Alright guys, it's that simple. Hey, if you found this video valuable, subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website, applymidwest.com. I will see you next week with another awesome tip like this. Bye!